Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, everyone. I hope you all must be doing good. So today I got Poco X3 Pro. Yes, Poco X3 Pro, and this set came from other city for flashing. The owner of this mobile phone want to have Me Dialer and Me SMS application. This Poco X3 Pro is currently having, if I go to settings and about phone, the global ROM MIUI 12.5.7 and MIUI 12.5.7. The global ROM comes with the Google Dialer and Google messaging application. I mean to say, not only this particular version, but all global ROM is having or coming with the Google Dialer and Google messaging application. I will flash the other region ROM on Poco X3 Pro to get Me Dialer and Me SMS application without losing data and without unlocking bootloader. Yes, no custom recovery, no unlocking bootloader, but I will get the other region ROM on this Poco X3 Pro will get Me Dialer, Me SMS application. How exactly I will do that, I will show you in this video. So do not forget to subscribe my channel by tapping the subscribe button and tap the bell icon, then select all. Thank you for doing that. We'll start the procedure. In case if any data important for you, then try to save it just to be at safe side. Check the battery should be charged around 50 to 60% and then go to settings. If you have set the lock screen password, then turn it off and go to Me account. In case if you are using Me account, sync your Me account once, then remove, and go to account sync your Google account once and then remove. Why I am saying all these things to do, because without unlocking bootloader we are proceeding this method, flashing of other region ROM on Xiaomi device. Sometime after flashing, set may ask or may not ask, but if set may ask for do the factory data reset, the data will get erased, will get loose. Now here one more important thing to do, and what is that? You need to download 2 full recovery ROM file by the link that is already provided in my video description. Click the link, go to the website and search for the Poco X3 Pro and download 2 full recovery ROM file, and that are, first of all, I will go to settings to show that my set bootloader is locked. I will go to additional settings, then we'll go to developer option. If you can see, the OEM is already off, and if I go to Me unlock status, my set status showing that this device locked. Yes, device is locked, and this device came with the lock bootloader. Now the 2 recovery full ROM file that we need to download, and I have already downloaded on my internal storage on my mobile phone. First of all, I will go to about phone. Number 1, full recovery ROM file, you need to download that currently MIUI version that currently you are having on your mobile phone. You need to download. For example, I have MIUI version 12.5.7, and if I see in these brackets, you see MI stand for Me, the global ROM. I have downloaded this current ROM file of global ROM MIUI 12.5.7. Doesn't matter if you having 12.5.6, go for the 12.5.6. It must be the one already installed on your mobile phone. I hope you got my point. And the second full recovery ROM file must be, you want to flash the file. Like for example, I am going to flash the other region ROM of Taiwan. Taiwan region ROM will have the Me Dialer and Me SMS application. So I will go to the site website and check the ROM, what Taiwan region ROM currently available. So currently the Taiwan region ROM is available 12.5.3. I will go to file manager, then we will go to storage and we'll tap the download folder. Here we go. I have already downloaded 2 recovery full ROM file. Number 1, the currently I have on my set is MIUI Global 12.5.7. If you can see that the MI stand for global, and both ROM have Android version 11 because this method work only on Android 11. And the second file is the of Taiwan region ROM file. Currently Taiwan region MIUI version available 12.5.3. If you see that RJU TW stand for Taiwan. Basically my set will get downgraded from global 12.5.7 back to Taiwan 12.5.3. Yes, it will be done. Now how exactly to do that? Let me show. First of all, connect the mobile phone with internet, and it must be Wi-Fi. After you have connected the set with internet, go to settings, then go to about phone and tap the MIUI version. The set will check the updates, then tap the big 12 for 7 times, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. You will see additional updates feature are on. Now tap the 3 dots and tap choose update package. The set will automatically go to file manager. Tap the download folder and select the first ROM file currently already installed on your mobile phone. For example, I have already installed the MIUI 12.5.7. Tap to select the file, then tap OK. The procedure will get started. Wait for it. Now, when you see this window and you see reboot and update, so this method will work if you see reboot and update. For example, in case if you see only update, not reboot, so which means this method will not work. Now after when you see this window reboot and update, do not touch anything, just minimize this window. Now go back to file manager by tap the file manager application to open it. Go to the downloaded folder. I am already there. Now we have two ROM file. First of all, press and tap the currently version installed on your mobile phone. Like I am having 12.5.7 the global ROM. Press and tap the first file. It will get selected. Then tap more and tap rename and tap once. Then press and tap to select whole file. If it didn't, then tap the select all. The file name will get selected and tap copy. The file will get copied. Now erase zip, the extension. Erase zip and type BAK. We must need to change the extension of the global ROM file currently we have already installed on mobile phone. Then tap OK. So and then tap OK once again, and the global ROM already installed got changed from zip to BAK. And now press and tap the Taiwan region ROM or the one you want to flash. It will get selected. Tap more, then tap rename and erase every single alphabet here. Erase every single alphabet. Then tap, if you see here, you can see the name that we already copied. Just tap here and the file name will get pasted. Now tap OK. Now if you can see, I have renamed the Taiwan region ROM from 12.5.3 to 12.5.7, and the global ROM remains there, but we have renamed the extension of global from zip to BAK. Yes. Now minimize the file manager and tap the recent app. You will see here the updater window. Tap on it. The updater window will pop up on your mobile phone screen. Just tap reboot and update. The method will start of flashing the Taiwan region ROM on Poco X3 Pro without unlocking a bootloader. Now let me show a little bit what the set will do. It will get stuck on like just wait for it. Let me show. Yeah, 0.48, and then it will jump directly to 7 to 8. Yes, which means the method is absolutely working perfect. Now wait for it. Let this flashing complete, then we will continue. Now the flashing got completed and set automatically got restart. It may ask to boot into MIUI recovery to do the data factory reset, and it may not ask. Maybe it will start booting to the Taiwan region ROM. Let's see. And finally, it didn't ask to boot into MIUI recovery to go for the data factory reset, but the Taiwan region ROM got booted finally. And after unlocking the lock screen, you will see few icons are missing, and that are the dialers and the messaging application. Now, if you do not want to lose the data because the data is remains there, then tap the setting, go to apps and tap manage apps, then search for LAU Poco launcher. You will see here, tap here and tap clear data, then tap again clear all data, tap OK. Yes, it is done. Go back to the main screen and now you will see the missing icons will come back and on your desktop screen. Now we got the Mi dialer here, and if I go further, you will see call recording option here, and also we got the Mi SMS application. And if I go to settings, tap about phone, my set is downgraded from global 12.5.7 back to Taiwan region ROM MIUI 12.5.3. Now if you see the brackets TW, and one more thing, I will try to turn on the developer options 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. I will go back, then we'll go to additional settings and developer options, and once again if you see OEM unlocking is already turned off, Mi unlock status, and tap agree and you see the device is locked. So I got the Taiwan region ROM on Poco X3 Pro without unlocking bootloader, and for doing that I got Mi dialer and Mi SMS application. Very simple way and good method to get Mi dialer on Poco X3 Pro without unlocking bootloader. I hope you got helped by this video. So do not forget to like the video, do not forget to subscribe my channel and stay in touch with me by subscribing it. Thank you. Take a good care of yourself. We'll see you in my next video. Until then, goodbye.